focus now to the larger debate when it comes to the Delhi elections. Now, there is a debate over freebies versus infrastructure development. And this has now also been reignited by Arvind Panagaria, who's the chairman of the 16th Finance Commission. He's weighed into the matter. He was speaking at a meeting with top officials in Goa, and he raised an important question for citizens to consider. What did he ask? He asks, do you want better roads? Do you want improved water supply? Do you want efficient drainage system? Or do you prefer receiving direct benefits like freebies? So freebies versus real development, that is the larger debate that's panning out. Let's tell you more about this. We have Sabyasachi joining us. Sabyasachi, first put this into context. Arvind Panagaria asking this question has become a food for thought, and this is the larger debate that has been unfolding, especially during election season, when the focus of each party is to play the competitive freebie politics. Agar aap, if you give freebies worth 2,100 rupees, we will promise freebies worth 2,500 rupees, the other will promise freebies worth 3,000 rupees. So now with the debate and the focus on what does the Janta want, take us through more details.
Well, that's right. See, the freebies debate has ignited amid the Delhi polls with each political party giving more and more freebies guarantee to the people of the national capital. Whether it is the Aam Aadmi Party who has announced the Mahila Samman Yojana or the Sanjeevani Yojana. On contrary to that, the Congress announcing a 2,500 rupees a monthly scheme to the women of the national capital and a health insurance scheme up to 25 lakh to every single citizen here in the national capital. Now, the 16th Finance Commission chief has given a statement regarding this. He says that freebies or amenities, the choice lies with the citizen of the country. The people must decide if they want freebies or they want a road. Or they want development. The onus finally lies with the citizen of the country. So it's a strong remark coming in from the 16th Finance Commission chief regarding the freebie culture that we are seeing currently here in the national capital with the polls just a few days ahead with the political parties trying to counter each other as far as the freebies is concerned.
Yes, so the question that has been asked is कि जनता को आखिर क्या चाहिए? Do you want better roads? Do you want improved water supply? Do you want efficient drainage systems? Or do you prefer receiving direct benefits like freebies? We'll tell you more about that, but it's time now for us to take a short commercial break, viewers.